Hey guys, welcome to a motorcycle chain cleaning video. Here I got my preferred products I like to use, the Maxim chain cleaner and penetrant lube, and the Motul chain paste, which has hardly any sling. First thing I like to do is check for any kinks or binding in the chain before I do any cleaning, just to make sure it doesn't need to be replaced first. The first product I like to use is the Maxim chain cleaner. This one's got kind of a foaming spray, which is pretty high-powered jet, and it does a good job of breaking down grease, dirt, grime, anything that you pick up on the road over the 500 or 600 miles in between chain cleaning. Now before you start scrubbing, they say wait about a minute for the chemicals to soak. I like to check the sprockets, make sure that they don't have any abnormal wear or gouges or anything like that. These ones look good, so I'm going to continue with scrubbing and cleaning. Good. One thing to note when you're spraying off the chain and the sprocket and stuff, just make sure you liberally wash off the rear brake disc and the wheel, because you don't want to leave that residue on the brake rotor especially. You want to have good stopping ability, so you want to make sure to rinse the chemical completely off. Now you could use disposable paper towels. I like to use a nice clean terry cloth that's just to get some of that extra moisture off there. You don't really want to use compressed air because you can blow the little seals out in the chain. So I like to use a cloth, and that gets most of the moisture off. And then I'll spray the penetrant lube on the chain, and that'll help displace the rest of the water out of the chain and all the little nooks and crannies around the chain before I put any chain paste or chain wax on. The last step is using this Motul chain paste, and it's got a built-in black little brush, so it's easy to apply. You don't have to get your fingers all dirty, and so that should work pretty good. I did do some final wipe up with a paper towel along the plastic chain guides just to get any excess moisture from the penetrant lube or any little bit of water kind of cleared out that way. Didn't have that mixing in with the chain paste when I put that on.